Hi, today we're going to paint a sunset. We will start off with purple first. Well, not just purple, but a little bit of orange too. And I'd like to point out that...
What? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this?
Wait, who are you?
My name is Jean-Pierre, and I am the ultimate art master. I look at this, and I find it despicable. I spit in your art.
Oh, now easy, Jean-Pierre.
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 Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre.
Jean-Pierre.
Whatever. It's not finished yet, so don't be so critical. Right now it's just background.
I see that, you imbecile. But what is this outfit you wear? And why is there paint on your buttocks?
I know. I just needed some clothes to, put on that could get paint on it.
These are not clothes of a true artist.
I know. I just needed some clothes that needed to get paint on it. That was fine.
A true artist takes pride in the way he looks.
Not really. Have you seen the average artist? They're not always big on fashion, you know?
Fashion is an extension of the true self. It shows who you are and who you can be. Within, your potential is unlimited.
Well, thanks for those inspiring words, Jean-Pierre.
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 Jean-Pierre. Oh, zut alors. Jean-Pierre. Just say Jean-Pierre. Je sais Jean-Pierre. It's Jean-Pierre.
Sorry, I have a hard time pronouncing your name, but do you like my street art?
It is incomplete. What is that black oil spraying from the ground? Are you in a desert?
It's a palm tree. See?
It is not that many.
Let me show you the rest. This is the whole room. See the whole garage? We had a good time painting it. So what do you think?
I guess it is formidable.
Aw, thanks, Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre.
Just say Jean-Pierre.
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 Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre. Jean-Pierre.